How many languages are recognized by the Constitution of India? Option A 22, option B 23, option C 24. The answer is option A 22. Test your knowledge of Indian Constitution with the 30 questions. This is your scorecard. Which of the following is considered as the soul of Indian Constitution? Option A fundamental duties, option B fundamental rights, option C preamble. The answer is preamble. The provision regarding emergency are adopted from option A UK Constitution, option B German Constitution, option C American Constitution. The answer is German Constitution. The Constitution of India is option A rigid, option B flexible, option C combination of rigidity and flexibility. The answer is option C. The cover page of Indian Constitution was designed by option A B.N. Rao, option B Ravindranath Tagore, option C Nandalal Bose. The answer is Nandalal Bose. Which part of the Indian Constitution is called the Magna Carta of India or Keystone of Indian Constitution? Option A Article 19, option B Article 24, option C Part 3. The answer is Part 3. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Option A B.N. Rao, option B B.R. Ambedkar, option C Rajendra Prasad. The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Option A B.N. Rao, option B Jawaharlal Nehru, option C B.R. Ambedkar. The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Right to education is the article mentioned in Article 21, option B Article 21A, option C Article 24. The answer is Article 21A. The right to education was added to the fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution through option A 86th Amendment, option B 87th Amendment, option C 93rd Amendment. The answer is 86th Amendment Act. When was the Constitution of India adopted by the Constitution Assembly? December 9, 1946, November 26, 1949, option C, January 26, 1950. The answer is November 26, 1949. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? Option A, Part 3, Part 2, option C, Part 4. The answer is option C, Part 4. The power to amend the Constitution of India is vested by A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Parliament. The answer is Parliament. The preamble of the Indian Constitution declares India as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Which of these terms was added later by amendment? Republic, democratic, secular. The answer is secular. The concept of single citizenship in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country's constitution? Option A Canada, option B Ireland, option C UK. The answer is UK. Which constitution amendment reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Option A 42nd, option B 61st, option C 44th Amendment. The answer is 61st Amendment. The concept of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country's constitution? Option A Ireland, option B USA, option C Australia. The answer is Australia. Which of the following writ is issued by the court to command a public authority to perform a public duty? A. Habeas corpus, B. Prohibition, C. Mandamus. The answer is Mandamus. The concept of fundamental duties was added to the Constitution on the recommendation of which committee? A. Kothari Commission, B. Sarkaria Commission, option C. Swaraj Singh Committee. The answer is Swaraj Singh Committee. Which of the following article empowers the President to appoint Prime Minister of India? Article 74, Article 75, and Article 77. The answer is Article 75. Which article is associated with the election of Indian President? Option A 51A, 54, 153. The answer is 54. Which article is mentioned in the annual financial statement of the Indian Constitution? Article 111, Article 112, and Article 114. Article 112. Indian Constitution guarantee its citizens to assemble peacefully and without arms as per the Article 19.1a, 19.1b, and 19.1d. The answer is 19.1b. Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits the discrimination on the ground of religion, caste, sex, or place of birth? Article 14, B. Article 15, C. Article 16. Article 15. By which amendment was the right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights? Option A 7th Amendment, option B 44th Amendment, option C 16th Amendment. The answer is 44th Amendment Act. The system of Panchayati Raj was introduced in India by which constitution amendment? 73rd Amendment, 74th Amendment, and 86th Amendment. The answer is 73rd Amendment. Which article of the Constitution of India provide the establishment of the Election Commission? Article 326, Article 325, Article 324. The answer is Article 324. Who is the guardian of the Indian Constitution? A. Parliament, B. President, and C. Supreme Court. The answer is Supreme Court. What is the minimum age for a person to be eligible to become the President of India? Option A 30 years, option B 35 years, option C 40 years. The answer is 35 years. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? A. President, B. Vice President, C. Prime Minister. The answer is Vice President. Thank you so much and comment your score.